Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with NatWest Mettle Business Account Review My Usage Experience. NatWest Mettle Business Account Review My Usage Experience offers a business banking account specifically designed for freelancers and small businesses. Its main purpose is to simplify financial management, offering features like invoicing, expense tracking, and real-time transaction monitoring. Their website provides details on features and pricing. Their website highlights ease of use as a key selling point, promising transparent pricing with no hidden fees and no lengthy contracts. They emphasize a user-friendly interface designed to streamline financial administration. Availability is for UK-based businesses, and eligibility can be checked on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using NatWest Mettle Business Account Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The online application took about 15 minutes, and verification was completed within a day. The interface is incredibly intuitive. I was able to create invoices and track expenses effortlessly. The dashboard provides a clear overview of my cash flow, which I found invaluable for managing my freelance income. The speed and reliability of transactions were excellent. I never experienced any delays. I had a quick question about integrating Mettle with my accounting software, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how quickly I could generate reports. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated expense categorization. It saved me a ton of time. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for offline access. However, the web interface is responsive enough to work well on my phone. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with NatWest Mettle. It streamlined my finances significantly and made managing my small business much easier. That's my overview of NatWest Mettle Business Account Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.